Look, I know why people sell for sale by owner, to save money, I get it. But what if I were to tell you I have real-time data that states you will not make more money selling on your own? As a matter of fact, you'll probably make less money and give yourself a big headache. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hill Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City. A recent real estate survey involving 1,000 home sellers in 2022 and 23 revealed that homeowners who chose to go at the selling experience alone were dissatisfied with the outcome and, more importantly, their proceeds. They said that they earned less and experienced more stress without having a professional's guidance there along their side. Originally, these same sellers thought that realtors were overpaid and not more knowledgeable than them, the average seller. However, post-closing, they stated the following. 43% said they experienced distrust from the buyers due to the absence of an agent. 40% said they struggled with understanding their contract deadlines and contractual liabilities. 36% said they made legal errors due to not using an agent. Yikes! The survey also highlighted other downsides of selling independently. On average, these sellers without agents sold for $46,000 less than those who used a professional in 2022 and 2023. Many unrepresented sellers regretted their pricing strategy and believed that an agent who was representing them could have fetched a higher price for their home. These sellers without agents often took well over 90 days to accept an offer, while 53% of agent-assisted sellers secured an offer within 30 days. Half of the sellers without agents admitted to emotional challenges during the sale, with 52% of them saying they were completely overwhelmed with the process. FSBO properties typically underperform in the market compared to agent-represented homes, with a median sale price difference of $95,000 as per the National Association of Realtors. Numbers don't lie, but I get it. Some people think agents do. Look, my recommendation is to interview a few agents. Go with somebody you're comfortable with. But if you're still looking to sell for sale by owner, at least let me give you our professional staging checklist and the book that I wrote on how to sell your home for more money. All of that's free. Check the comments below. Wishing you the best of luck, and if you don't feel like going at it alone in the sale of your home, reach out to us. We're happy to help.